Hey beautiful people, my name is Michelle. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping back again. And if you're new to my channel, hey girl, welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to be doing a quick review of this wig that I received from a company from Amazon. I'll be sure to leave the links and the name of the company down in the comments section or down in the description section. So let's get into the review. It's going to be a quick review. Again, guys, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, share with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on your post notification bell. That way you'll never miss an upload, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Just kidding, but welcome back. Welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a little wig review for a company here, a company on Amazon. I did receive this this wig. It came in a plastic bag, so I didn't want to bring that here. It's just a plastic bag. So it's a 12-inch bob. So let me just show you the construction. It comes with an elastic strap. So as you can see, it has a bang. So that's the scalp here. And that's the bang. And that's how it looks. So it's human hair. Let me just give you the information about it. The company is called Mofyue, M-O-F-Y-U-E, and I've worked with them I think twice before. So hopefully we'll like this one. It's glueless, of course. Glueless non-lace front wig, so you don't have to worry about the gluing anything down because your front is going to be covered. And it's 180% density. Like I said before, it's 12 inches, and the price for this one was $47.99. So the only thing is that they didn't send me a wig cap. Hello. So we're just gonna have to use our little wig cap here. Hopefully you guys could see me pretty good. Just looking in my mirror. I just have my hair in some braids. So I'm just gonna put on my little wig cap here. It's not brand new because I used it yesterday. But this is what we have. We're going to work, so this is going to be a quick video. So that's it. I have my flat iron and stuff up here just in case. All right, so inside I didn't show you more. So it has one comb here, right at the front, another comb here, and then there's also a comb in the back with another drawstring here if you need it. All right, so this is a one natural black, and I already see that I'm gonna have problems with the string because the elastic keeps falling out from right there. But let's try not to put it on with it because it's not staying. All right. I'm just gonna have to put this inside for now. All right. That's just how it looks off the bat. Just flop it on my head. The scalps look a little white, but we'll fix it up. So right off the bat, yeah, didn't put the combs in as yet, but I'm going to maybe put the ones in on the sides. I don't really love using combs because they hurt. And I don't want to lose my edges. Alright, so we're gonna have to fix her up because this is not it right here. Okay? Alright, I have my... We're gonna have to cut the bangs for one. It's too long. I have my flat iron here. Really quickly, I'm just gonna have to straighten it out because first I'm going to take my pressing comb and just like try to flatten the top part. And then just comb the bang down. We're gonna have to cut the bang because it's too long. Unless I'm just going to pull it back like this. Right, for this part, definitely I will have to put some powder because my scalp is not this white. You want to make sure that this little cone head part is flat. I mean, it's not bad. It's just, you know, it just has to be bumped. We don't want the bump in the front. Looking better already. Now I can't see the back, but I'm gonna turn it around and then you guys tell me how the back looks, okay? I'm trying not to cut it. So, let me take out these combs in the front. Adjust it first. And then put them back in. So, if you pull it back like this, then the bangs will be long, but they won't be as long. Let me go and bump up this side and then I'll come back, okay? I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I just put a couple little bumps in there just to take out that little flip. This side, it won't really come out too much, but it's a cute little, you know, throw on wig. You don't have to do much. Once you bump it, you just put it up and then, you know, you just throw it on whenever. You could brush it off your brow if you want to. Into the side like that. But I like it with the bang. Right? I just kind of pulled it back to expose the bang more. I mean, not to expose it, but so the bang could be shorter. You know, giving a little sexiness right there. You know, I like it. I like it, but what I will do later, this is just the initial review, I will cut it. I will cut it shorter. Like I would cut it in an angle. Because right now, the back is just regular. And I don't really have time to bump it the way I want to. But this is just the initial review. And I will show you guys how it looks once I put my little touches on there. So the back is just, it's just like this. I don't even know how it's looking because I can't see back there. But we will cut it more like in a, like an angle, like so. That's how I like it. So after we do that, then I'll show it to you guys another time. But for now, I would definitely recommend, if you're looking for something that, you know, you can just throw on really quick, you don't have to worry about doing your edges because your edges are not exposed, then I would say this is a good little wig for you. So I'll be sure to leave the links down in the description section just in case you are interested. Do I look like Miss Chin or what? Okay guys, thank you to Mofu here for sending me out this wig, and I really appreciate it. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you next time. Let me know what you think, guys. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if you think it suits my face. Yay or nay. Feedback. I'll take the positive feedback, you know. Let me know. Let me know. You can possibly push it behind your ear and wear it that way. But this is how we're looking for now. And just like that, we have come to the end of the video. I hope that you enjoy this quick little try on wig review. Alright guys, I'll be sure to leave the link of the wig down in the description section. Please remember again guys to don't forget to thumbs up the videos, okay guys, when you watch them. That would really help out my channel. Just give it a thumbs up before you even start watching, because you know you're gonna like it, right? Alright, thumbs up the video, subscribe to the channel, also turn on your post notification bell. That way you'll never miss an upload, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.